This is it. Look at this thing. It's 9:30. We need to be at a meeting by 10, and Mitch is still in bed, so we're gonna go f him up.
Yeah, we are.
Morning, darling.
Wake up! Hey, Jerry. Yeah. Is breakfast ready?
Yep.
Here it is.
The boys! What's happening? Give us some good news. Today's the day.
Is it ready? You're kidding!
Yeah, the boys! Latest.
I'm getting whipped up!
I wish you knew a good elevator joke.
Was that the joke? Is this some sort of sick joke?
No, it's actually locked. No, you can't. You can see it there. Well, we're not getting the car anymore. No, I'm serious. It's like locked in there. Alright, well, looks like we're taking the basement.
So we had an argument with our neighbour this morning, and then ironically,
Our door
Our
won't
door.
open.
imagine we went out there
And there's a no, there's
piled
like
up against our door. It's- So we finally escaped Alcatraz, and we're on the way to go get the Merc.
Because of the amount of people in Shade at the moment, whether they're streaming or whether we're filming videos, we need a car at the house. And so that's what we're going to do today. We're going to go pick it up from Mercedes-Benz Brighton. They've hooked us up with a pretty good deal to go and get the car. So
I can't wait to see this thing. Here we are. Nice work, Jerry. I'm excited. I'm almost nervous to see it.
Oh, you've definitely dressed for the occasion. I've just realised. Jackie's in the hoodie.
Big Millsy car.
they're all in shorts.
Shade's in the house.
What's going on, bro? How you going?
Jez, how are you, man?
Hey, Russell. Mitch, nice to meet you.
Hey, how
Hey,
you going?
mate.
Good.
See ya. Long time no see.
Yeah, mate.
How are you, bud?
I reckon I'll take off my pants when they take off the cover.
This is nuts. So we haven't seen it yet, but this is it. Look at this thing.
I'm that f***ing G'd. If it's got your name on it, you have to take a photo, don't you?
Ladies and gentlemen, here we are, Mercedes-Benz Brighton. It presents.
Give him the hoodie. Someone give him the hoodie.
I'm the grandfather Shade.
Can we get a separate contract to sign you in Shade?
Someone give him the shade.
I'm the granddaddy of Shade.
It's Shade Grandpa. Is this real life? Shut up.
This baby's powered by a 375 kilowatt engine. It's a 4-litre bi-turbo V8 engine. 700 newton meters of torque, and 0 to 100 is just in 3.8 seconds.
So it's pretty slow.
Very slow. So this is what's important to you.
Yes, I love that. Oh
That way,
man.
you'll see the blue bouncing off the white just there at night time, and also it's going to light up all around.
Shade Park. We'd like to officially bless you.
I am worthy.
Welcome
This
to
is yours,
Shade
big
Room.
man. Welcome to Shade Crew.
We'll trade you a hoodie for a Merc. Good deal.
Well, you got that.
Thanks for everything.
Schwing.
Thanks, bro. Thanks so much.
No stress.
You guys are the best.
All good.
Take care, man.
How's this sort of vibe when you pick up a car? You don't get that at other dealerships, do you? Oh my, I swear I barely touched it.
You didn't even hit 60.
I didn't even touch it.
Oh my god.
Oh, Jacko, shut. Oh, we got Craig Lowndes in the back seat.
What?
Didn't even hit 60. I would have knocked that thing round and make it skid it.
Saying that sound was so good for not even hitting 60.
Oh, I thought you said you didn't
Go
even
left
hit
that
60.
way, Mitch. Go all the way down there.
How'd you go?
Yeah, pretty good.
What time do I see?
See ya.
Alright guys, so we've got the whip at home now. If you're looking to get in a Mercedes, head down to Mercedes Brighton and ask for our boy Shade Parr. He's a legend.